Hello, my name is Mark Smith. I am the industrial technology teacher at Reed Custer High School, and in about 20 days I am retiring from teaching. It's a mixed bag. I will miss my students, I'll miss my shop, I'll miss the job, but there are some things I won't miss. I won't miss the paperwork, I won't miss, things like that. But we completed our 30th cabinet job. This is a job up in Naperville, Illinois. It is a job out of walnuts, so feast your eyes when we show it to you. This job we've been working on since this past August when the school year started, and the students and I have spent yesterday, which was Friday, today is Saturday, installing the cabinets, getting them ready for the countertops and the appliances. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you the cabinet job. So here's our pantry cabinets. You can see the insides look like this. They've all got shelves in them. Hello, Mr. Mockles. That's my replacement next year. And this is our appliance garage. As you can see, it has cabinets that open, doors that open up, and they slide back in. So that was kind of a nice touch. There's a lot of work doing that. And of course we have full extension drawer boxes, and all of our cabinets typically have drawers that pull out, because let's face it, you start getting in your 50s and your 60s, nobody wants to be getting down on the floor trying to find what's in that cabinet. And we have a nice peninsula that sticks out, and you'll now see my students. And what's your name, sir?
My name is Cody Danzig, and I'm a senior.
All right.
My name is Jacob Sandstrom, I'm a sophomore.
My name is Michael Burke, I'm also a sophomore.
Preston Traxler, I'm a sophomore.
Addison Hartman, and I'm a senior.
She was my right-hand person this year. She's helping with this job, and she's been great to have around.
Drew Emanuelson, I'm a senior.
Brody Alexander, sophomore.
I'm going to get some not in that light. There you go.
Frank Karate, sophomore.
Donald Ryan, sophomore.
Did I get everybody? And what was your name, sir?
Adam Mockles.
That's right. These students have done a fantastic job. The cabinets look great. And so we used to install all of the other things like crown molding and base shoe and all that stuff, but we don't do that anymore. And they have some carpenters, finished carpenters coming in to do that as well. So I'm always very tired at this day. Sometimes I wonder, why am I doing this? Because it's so much work. But then when it's all done, I'm very happy I did it. And it's a great experience for the students. So for all of our industry supporters that have helped us over the years learn how to build kitchen cabinets, and all the technical support and all the materials and equipment you helped us with, thank you so much. I think we're the only high school in the union that are building and installing kitchen cabinets in people's houses. I've yet to find any other high school that's doing that. And we've only been able to do it because of the support from the school, the community, the students, and of course my industry supporters. Have a great day, everybody.